Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can enable dark mode on an iPhone. So if you are an iPhone user and you don't know how to apply dark mode on iPhone, so this video is for you. So let's jump into the video. First, don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video, and also share and comment below if you like the video. So first of all, you can see on my screen, let's get to different app and see the mode of my phone. It's dark, it's not dark mode, it's the light mode. Like everything is in light mode. You can see on a YouTube, in a Chrome, Siri, and everything is in a light mode. So now I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your phone. Scroll down, there's two methods, from setting and from scroll down. You can scroll down and here you can see there's an option under the volume. If you turn on that, your theme is going to be dark and your phone is in a dark mode. So this is the one step, and the second step, you have to go to the setting of your mobile phone. After going to the setting of your mobile phone, now you can see after pressing on dark mode, everything is enabled at dark mode. So the second step is you have to go to the setting. After going to the setting of your mobile phone, search here setting, and after going to the setting, here you can see you have to search dark mode, but it doesn't appear because we can't say it's a dark mode. You have to go on accessibility, like appearance of your mobile phone. After going to the appearance of your mobile phone, search appearance on setting. After setting appearance, here you can see on a screen there are two options, light or dark. If you set to the light, then all the theme all the apps of your phone is going to be set light, and dark. If you select dark, it's getting dark. So here from this you can easily change your mood of your phone, light, dark, anything. So hope so friends you watch, enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.